I want to share with you the top 6 ways to make money in 2022. You may be thinking that it's too soon, but I beg to differ. Now is the perfect time, because these are not your typical ideas on how to make money. These are innovative and creative ways for individuals without a lot of experience or resources to generate an income. This list has been compiled from my own personal research, as well as research done by experts in their respective fields. The idea is that each one of these opportunities will provide you with a way out of poverty and give you hope for the future. So without further ado, here are my top 6 picks. 1. Create a blog and sell advertising space. There are a lot of blogs out there, but how do you make your blog stand out? The best way to make your blog unique is by selling advertising space. There are many different ways to go about this. You can run ads on the side or at the end of posts, or you could place them in between posts using an ad network like Google Adsense. In order for these options to work well though, they need traffic from readers. This will be hard if people don't know who you are and what your blog is about. So where do new bloggers start? With a domain name and web hosting service. These 2 items will get anyone started with blogging because it gives them a platform from which all other decisions can stem. It's best to have a unique domain name, so the chances of someone else having your domain name are slim. Also, if you want to go it alone and not use a web hosting service, then I suggest going with Blogger.com or WordPress.com in order to get started quickly and easily. 2. Start a website and monetize it with Adsense. This is very similar to the first point, but I believe it deserves its own spot on the list for those people who are looking to make an income from their blog as fast as possible, which many new bloggers want. There's no better way to make money blogging than with Google Adsense. All you have to do is create a blog and submit an application, choose the ad formats that will appear on your website, and there you go. That's all there is to it. The hardest part of this process, as a new blogger, is coming up with content as often as possible, because once you get approved for Adsense, you need to start getting traffic to your site so that the ads will generate an income for you. There are definitely ways to get traffic without creating the content yourself. A lot of people buy and sell blog posts. All you have to do is write unique content for someone who wants their own unique page on your site, and they will pay you a fee per page. 3. Sell video views on YouTube. This is similar to point 1, but there are some additional concerns. With this method, you'll have a new job as a YouTube content creator, a YouTuber. All you have to do is create videos that people will want to watch, just like everyone else who wants to do this. The only difference is that you'll need to have a PayPal account or use something similar so that viewers can pay to view your videos without ads. Just think of it as paying for an ad-free experience. You can set up your videos for monthly subscriptions, or you could make them pay-per-view. It's completely up to you. If all goes well, this is an amazing way to make money with your hobby. 4. Start a blog and get advertisers. For someone who already has a blog, this is the perfect way to make money because you can monetize your existing traffic. This is an easy option that anyone can implement in only a few short days, or even faster if your blog takes off. All you have to do is contact companies directly, not through ad networks like Google Adsense, and sell them the space to advertise on your blog. This is a surefire way to make money because you already have established traffic, so there's no reason why they wouldn't want to pay for ad space. 5. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money blogging, especially for beginners. With this method, you'll need to find the right products or services that you think your readers would want and that are relevant to your own blog post topics. For example, if you're writing about makeup, then you could link to an online store that sells makeup and earn a commission anytime someone purchases something from that site after clicking on your affiliate link. This is probably the easiest way to make money as a new blogger because it doesn't involve any upfront cost, and you can usually start earning commissions within hours of starting this process. 6. Sell products on Amazon, create an e-commerce site. I saved the best for last because it's a job that's here to stay. Setting up a website to sell products is going to be the most difficult because you need coding knowledge and a way to make your site stand out from all of the other e-commerce sites on the web. However, this method is worth it because you can create products yourself and pocket 100% of the profits. For example, if you want to make some money online, you could write an ebook and sell it on Amazon. As long as there is demand for that kind of product, then you can probably earn enough to live off of this method alone. The best part about selling your own products on Amazon is that many of them get bought up right away, so you don't have to wait long at all before your payment is available to you. You can write about literally anything that's interesting and valuable enough to keep people coming back for more. Just choose a topic that you love or are passionate about and start writing. You could even work on your blog full-time if you really wanted to, but you'll probably want to start out part-time and test the waters. A good idea for a blog is dog training, how to be the best dog trainer, or something similar. 5 million people search on Google every month for this topic. This means that if your blog post ranks on page 1 of Google, which it easily could, then you'd get about 2,500 unique visitors each month. This is a good amount of traffic to say the least. Just make sure that your content is engaging and readers will want to keep coming back for more. So there you have it. These are the top 6 opportunities that I believe will be valuable over the next few years. Also, if you want us to cover anything else, just let me know in comment section or by emailing me. Here is the summary of all the ideas we have discussed so far. 1. Create a blog and sell advertising space. 2. Start a website and monetize it with Adsense. 3. Sell video views on YouTube. 4. Start a blog and get advertisers. 5. Become an affiliate marketer. 6. Sell products on Amazon, create an e-commerce site. The top 6 ways to make money are through posts using an ad network like Google Adsense. In order for these options to work well though, they need traffic from readers. This will be hard if people don't know who you are and what your blog is about. So where do new bloggers start? With a domain name and web hosting service. These 2 items will get anyone started with blogging because it gives them a platform from which all other decisions can stem. Whether you're selling a digital product online or you run a brick-and-mortar business, these behavioral neuroscience principles will work for you. They'll help you drive more visitors into your marketing funnel and convert casual visits into sales.